19th century philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche wrote the famous line, "God is dead." But what is the full context of this claim, and what does it really mean? The line appears in both The Gay Science and Thus Spoke Zarathustra, two of many publications authored by Nietzsche in his lifetime. In The Gay Science, he first mentions the phrase in section 108, quote, "After Buddha was dead, people showed his shadow for centuries afterwards in a cave, an immense frightful shadow. God is dead. But as the human race is constituted, there will perhaps be caves for millenniums yet in which people will show his shadow. And we must still overcome his shadow." The meaning of the phrase in question is often misunderstood. Many have interpreted that Nietzsche believed in a literal death, or end of God. Instead, the line points to the Western world's reliance on religion as a moral compass and source of meaning. The phrase is mentioned again in section 125, the parable of the madman. Quote, "God is dead. God remains dead. And we have killed him. How shall we comfort ourselves, the murderers of all murderers?" Nietzsche's works express a fear that the decline of religion and the rise of atheism and the absence of a higher moral authority would plunge the world into chaos. The Western world had depended on the rule of God for thousands of years. It gave order to society and meaning to life. Without it, Nietzsche writes, society will move into an age of nihilism. Although Nietzsche may have been considered a nihilist by definition, he was critical of it and warned that accepting nihilism would be dangerous.